Hi students, welcome to online class. So in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 5, working with Windows operating system. So in this we are going to discuss about what is mean by window. So window is a typical rectangular area. Window is a typical rectangular area in the application or a document. So how the window will be? The window will be in a rectangular manner where we can type the text, or else where we can go for some work. Whatever the work we need, we can do all those work in the rectangular area. So it may be any application or it may be any document, right? So each and every rectangular area, that is called as window. Each and every rectangular area, that is called window. For example, now you can see here. So here this is called the window. Now you can see this Adobe PageMaker. I have opened the Adobe PageMaker. So this is a window which is in a rectangular manner. Right? So it is an area on the screen that displays information for a specific program. So it is going to display the information. For a specific program. For example, whenever we open Microsoft Word, it displays about the Microsoft Word. It displays the specific program called Microsoft Word. Whenever we open Microsoft Excel, it displays the information about the Microsoft Excel. When you open Photoshop, so it displays the information about the Photoshop. So it is a area on the screen that displays the information for a specific program. Now here you can see I have just shown you the WordPad. So in this WordPad, here you can see this white area. This white area is used to type the text. And store the text. Here you can see this rectangular area which is covering the whole window, right? Which is covering the whole document. Here you can see the minimize button, maximize button, and then close button. Is it right or not? Here you can see minimize button, maximize button, and then close button, right? So this is called the window. See here, there are two types of windows are there. One is called application window and another one is called document window. One is called application window and another one is called document window. So what is mean by application window? See, it is an area on a computer screen with defined boundaries and within which information is displayed. So it is an area on the computer screen with defined boundaries. Means there will be some boundaries will be there. So boundaries in the sense here, so that is the end of the window. So it will contain 4 boundaries: a top left, top bottom, right, and then top right, bottom right. So like that you can see the boundaries, and then within that only the information is displayed. So within the boundaries only all the informations are displayed. So the informations are not displayed beyond the boundaries. So the information is displayed only within the boundaries. So such windows can be resized. Maximized, minimized, and placed by side, overlap, and so on. So what are all the things you can do with those windows means, we can resize the window. We can give some particular size. Whatever the size which is defined inbuilt, that size can be changed by yourself. So resizing can be done. Maximization can be done by the user. Maximization, minimization. So minimized, maximized stage. Placed side by side. You can place one window on another window. we can place a one window on the another window. For example, if you open Microsoft Word, if you are again opening Microsoft Excel, so Excel will be placed above the Microsoft Word. So when we click on Microsoft Word, Excel will go at the back, will go to the back. So Microsoft Word will comes to forward, comes to the front. So we can place side by side, overlap. So whatever the option you need, you can do. For example, simply I am just going to minimize this. I am going to open Microsoft Word. See here, I am just opening start button. Click on the start button. I am just clicking the Microsoft Word. So after clicking Microsoft Word, the Microsoft Word will be opened. Is it right or not? So the Microsoft Word document will be opened here. That is, the application will be opened. So after that, whatever the process I need, I can do. Whatever the process I need, I can do. For example, I am just opening another application called Microsoft Excel. I am opening Microsoft Excel. So now Word as well as Excel, both the things are opened here. Now you see here, Excel is here. Here you can see this is called boundaries. This is called boundaries. So in all the places you can see the boundaries. Now see here, I can place the window side by side. So I can open Microsoft Word and then it can be placed. So Microsoft Word is here, Excel is here. So side by side I can place. As well as see here in Microsoft Excel, if I want to minimize, I can minimize. If I want to maximize, so how can I maximize? So this is called maximize button. So this is called minimize, this is called maximize. So when I click on the maximize, what is mean by maximize? Maximize means the entire screen. The Excel is filled with the entire screen. So it is maximized. Then if I want to restore means going back to the original position, original size. So this is restore. Now you see here, if I want to change the size, how can I change the size? See here, can you see? The size is reduced. If I want to increase by lengthwise, decrease, increase the length. If I want to increase by widthwise, so here I can go by widthwise decrease as well as increase. So whatever I want, I can do with the window, application window. Such windows can be resized, maximized, minimized, placed side by side, and overlap. Overlap means placing one application on another application. Placing the one application on another application, that is called overlap. Then an application window contains an open application, that is current application such as Word or Paint. Application window contains an open application, that is current application such as Word or Paint. For example, I will show you a Paint application. So here you can see the Paint application which was currently opened now. Can you see, students? See, simply we are just discussing about window and its types. Window means the rectangular area which display the information on the screen. Rectangular area which display the information on the screen. So that is called window. Two types of windows are there: application window, document window. Application window means where we can see the information. We are going to display some information, we are going to see some information within the well-defined boundaries. So the application window, whenever we open, it displays the information within the well-defined boundaries. And then we can minimize the application, maximize the application, resize, restore, right? So placed side by side, overlap, all the process we can do with the application window. So some applications are Microsoft Word, Paint, WordPad, Microsoft Excel, Photoshop, whatever the softwares we have installed in our system, all those softwares are called application programs, application window. Whenever we open the software, then that window is called application window. Right. Now we can, when two or more windows are opened, there will be a doubt. When two or more windows are opened, only one of them is active and the rest is inactive. Sir, what is mean by when one or more applications are opened, one window is active and another window is inactive? How, sir? For example, see here, now I am minimizing this. Now here you see, now whenever I click on Excel, now you can see at the back side, Microsoft Word is opened at the back side. Microsoft Word is opened at the back side, so this is inactive. So nothing is happening in the Microsoft Word. So now which is active? Microsoft Excel is active. But when I press Microsoft Word, Excel goes to the back. Excel goes to the back. That is inactive stage. Microsoft Word becomes active. Microsoft Word becomes active. See here, now when I click on this, can you see the difference? So now Excel is inactive, Microsoft Word becomes active. So that is what here they are saying. When two or more windows are opened, only one of them is active and the rest is inactive. So see here, the application window of Microsoft Word, Google Chrome browser and Microsoft Office PowerPoint, and the appearance of the multiple windows are opened in the desktop. So overlapping, for example, I opened the Microsoft Word. So instead of Excel, if I open the Microsoft PowerPoint, now what will happen? So I am just opening the Microsoft PowerPoint also. So now PowerPoint is active, Word is inactive. Then if I open the Google Chrome browser, now what will happen? So Google Chrome browser will be active and then Microsoft Word will be inactive. So the PowerPoint is also inactive because it is in the back. So Google Chrome comes to the front. Google Chrome comes to the front. So other windows becomes inactive. Other windows go to the back. Only the Google Chrome browser will be in the front. So can you understand, students? So it takes some time to open, so that's why it's getting late. Right, now you see here, now what happened? Google Chrome browser becomes active. The Microsoft Word or PowerPoint becomes inactive. But when I click on Microsoft Word, Google Chrome becomes inactive. Google Chrome becomes inactive. At the same time, see here, when I press, for example, now when I click on Google Chrome, it is active. When I click on Microsoft Word, it is active. When I press on Microsoft PowerPoint, now you see here, the other two are inactive. Can you understand, students? So that is what they are explaining, right? Right. Now we can see, this is overlapping process. See here. So here Microsoft Word, and then here I have opened Adobe Acrobat Reader and then Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome browser. Right. Now we can discuss about document window. What is mean by document window? See, document window is a section of the screen used to display the contents of the window. So that is going to display the content of the window. So which is going to display the content of the window? Microsoft Word is going to display the content of the window. Not only Microsoft Word, whenever we go for a document window, the document window is used to display the contents of the document. For example, we can take Microsoft Office Word is shown for an example. For example, let us take a Microsoft Office Word. So now I am opening the document window. Here you can see this white area. This white area is used to display the contents. The white area is used to display the contents. So some contents are displayed here. Some text is displayed here. So that is what here also they are saying. Document window is a section of the screen. So that is a section of the screen used to display. That is one part. Document window is one part of the window that is used to display the contents of the document. So we can take a Microsoft Office Word as a best example. I will show you the screenshot. So here I have shown you the Microsoft Word. So some contents have been typed here. So 11th standard 2 marks, list of 2 marks is typed here. So this displays the contents of the document. What is inside the document? So that is displayed in the document section. So other things are a title bar, menu bar, and then it contains minimize, maximize, close button. So all those things are there. But in the center area, that is in the white area, the white area is used to display the contents of the window, right? Can you understand, students? So what is mean by window, what is mean by application window, and what is mean by document window? So I think you might have understood this. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.